M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So, looking at this program by Dariusz, SP4UBW, and I will put a link in for the download, and it's a program that can be used, or is used, for saving photographs in the correct format so that you can send them using your YAESU radios. Now, I've got the YAESU FT2 here and the FT3 here, but this will work on the 300, 400, 5D, and even the 100 as well. So, both the radios are in group mode. I'll show you that in a second. The first thing to do is go to the download, click download. Right, when you've got that folder, and then obviously it's at your risk when you download this, so download anyway, and then click keep. So what you want to do is take the SD card out of your radio and put it into your PC. Right, so we've rebooted the FT2. We're going to go back into group mode. Then we're going to hit log. We're going to turn the knob until it selects PIC, and we're going to select PIC. Then we've got the different PICs that we've loaded, so we'll choose the top one and we'll tap it. Let's go down. There you go, waiting. So it's loading the PIC from the SD card. There's the PIC. I know it's black and white, but you can see it. Now we need to make sure the FT5 is in group mode, which it is now. Same frequency, DN mode. They're now talking to each other, even if you don't send pictures. Now we're going to send. Click send. Hopefully our fingers are a bit big. Right, send. There you go. Now the FT5 is saying waiting, and then what we'll do it the other way around as well. There is a pause. I know that the FT2 is an older radio and it's black and white and all that, but it's a nice size. I just like using it. Especially very handy for doing things like this. Okay, and it's done it. It's sent it, and we can save it. I'll click save. It's going to save it in our SD card. So now we could use the program to send it, but what we'll do, because I've shown you how to do that, we're going to see if we can reply and send. So we'll go reply, click OK, tap that, reply, send. There you are, and now it's sending it the other way back, and it says completed. So what we're going to do now is actually start from scratch, but go the other way. Right, we've got the SD card in the PC from the FT5, and on the FT5 we're going to look up the radio ID, so hold down F, tap GM, radio ID, there's our ID, EBF-Q3, EBF-Q3, so we'll go back, we'll put it back into group, mode, but it's not going to work properly until we've put the program in, and the SD card back. So we're going to find that program again, show in folder, and we got to copy it, copy, and then go back to the SD, and then we got to paste it in here. Okay, the program's in there, so now we'll be able to load photographs on that. So we're going to double click like so. We're going to go, we need to put in that it's an FTM FT5. Don't think this bit is crucial, but the radio ID is crucial. Forgotten that already. Hold F, GM, radio ID, which is EBF-Q3, so caps, EBF-Q3 and FT5. Okay, that's good. Open picture. Again, we're just going to choose anything. Got to be some pictures here somewhere. We can choose. Download. Let's do this one. There you are. And we can even open a logo. There's another one there. So we've added a logo. Tick the little box for the logo. And now we're going to save picture to SD, which is just done. So now we can take the SD card out, put it back in our radio. Right, it's back in the radio and we've rebooted. We'll go back into group mode, make sure we're on the same frequency. We'll go back a touch on the FT2. Leave it on picture. So right, so let's try and send. So we're going to go log. We're going to go picture. Select picture with the channel change knob. Select the picture we want to send. There it is there, and click send. So now, oh yeah, then all. Then click OK. You can actually see it in colour on this one. So with a bit of luck, in a minute, it says waiting on the FT2D. We've done it. So remember, the key thing is, I know it was all in the way there, is get your radio ID and your file name, call sign. But the main thing is when you're in your SD card, you need to see that that program is in your SD card that you're then going to put in the radio. That's the key thing, and it just makes it easy that you've got all these different settings. You've got captions. You can add, change the size, color, left, right, position, style, all kinds of stuff. Overlay text 1, so you can overlay a text if you want. And all sorts, and then here's the different, it keeps the files here, and I think it's good. So thanks very much to Dariusz, call sign SP4UBW, and just let this finish and then we'll finish the video. You can see it says send on the FT5, and be patient because it does take a minute or so. Right, and it's gone through. I know it's black and white, but it's there and we can save it. Obviously, if you look at the actual SD card, it will be in colour. And I don't think you can view it on the FTM 100. I think it's purely SD card. But the 400, the 300, and the 55 for definite, you can view it. So thanks for watching my channel, 7.3, and catch you on air. All the best.